Here today for another Minecraft. Well, today, I've already turned the lights on, so you guys can darn see it. What? I have created another amazing Lego set. Well, I created it. Like buy it or something and then make it. I actually just built this, just with my own hands. So first, this is pretty much like a giant, structure. A window right there, like where the blue stuff that kind of looks like water diamonds is a window. And then there's a tree and a torch. And then there's one more thing that I've got. Take the roof off. And then there's like a prisoner guy in there. He's got the prisoner suit on. Let me just try to take him out so I can let you guys see. And zoom up. That should be a perfect zoom up. Really, just look at it. It's an amazing zoom up. That is the guy that, what the guy looks like. That is in there. And then yeah, I just thought it would be amazing to build another thing like this because it's absolutely amazing. Oh, there. It's not like I haven't built with other stuff. Remember that little bike thing? That was cool, right? But it absolutely got destroyed. And then we can't really count in Kai's mini fire dragon because that's an actual Lego set that you can buy, and I bought it, so. How could you even put this on? Well, whatever. That didn't really get on that good, and it's not really stable a lot. But yeah, guys, that was I would actually call this I don't actually know what I could call this Lego set, but I could call it how about the jungle dungeon, I guess. Yeah. How about the jungle dungeon? That should be, I think it should be great. I mean, there's already a tree, but all you need to do is just make like tons of those around it, which actually I might actually do that and I'll show it to you. But maybe. Hopefully I actually can. But for now, goodbye. I hope you absolutely love this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for some more